Hey Juan, so I wanted to explain this new ticketing system for the installation process with you. So you can see here on this installation assistance page that we have, I have this fill out this form. I'm going to be adding this to all of our products that have installation would be something that they would do directly to the product page. So, at the aux lift, let's see here. I'm going to add it right in here. So there'll be a button here that they can request installation and it'll pop up the same way. And we'll also be sending out emails directly after anybody places an order asking if they want installation too. So when you click this and you fill this form pops up, you can see the person puts their email address, phone number, etc. So I'm just going to put a test one in here. I'll put my personal email, Tim Test, or phone number. And only if they click installation will this then be sent to you. So it's not set up to send it to you just yet, but it will be. I'm just doing this test run. And then they choose the product, which I have a few products here, but they can also just do other, and other, we'll put test product, whatever, quantity 1. And then they can put a date, so I'll just put my birth date here. And test subject line and test description. So when they send this, this is going to actually log me in, or actually no, it shouldn't because I'm using that email. Because I'm logged in already, it's going to log me in. But yeah, so you can see it logged me in already. But for a normal customer, it would say your submission has been sent. And then from there, you can see in here my emails, this ticket assigned, and it says a new ticket has been assigned to you. Please follow the link to view the ticket. So then you could click this and you'll have to log in, but then you'll see the information right here and you can reply to the customer directly. You can see it's going to go to my email, and then any replies that they send will just show up in here as the ticket. So this ticket will be constantly updated and you can see who it's assigned to. It's an open ticket, low priority. That's how they're going to start, and you could reply right there and it would keep a date of that. Now you'll get more information over here, and one of them is the statuses. So as we move from this being an open ticket to maybe scheduled the install, but we haven't done it yet, or we're in progress with the install and maybe it's a couple days long, so it's just in progress. Now this is something that I wanted to get some feedback from you. I can customize these statuses to say whatever they want, and I can add or delete as many as I want. So please let me know what statuses you would like me to add or remove or adjust. And then the priority as well. We could come up with a good system for kind of when we would mark these different things. But this is automatically assigned to me, but they're going to be automatically assigned to you as soon as I get confirmation that you kind of understand the system. One thing to note is you cannot just reply to this email. So don't ever reply to the emails. You have to actually go into the ticketing system and reply here. So that'll keep a nice neat record of it. And then you could see here if we changed it to in progress or whatever. I will also add another field for the estimated quote. So you'll put the amount that you're quoting the customer, which will be visible throughout the conversation as well, but that way we have it handy and it'll just say right here. And then we can also do one that will calculate the 10% or whatever we agreed upon there as well. So I just wanted to show you this. I am going to switch it now. You can see I already sent both of these to be assigned to you, so you should have received an email for both this Nita Patterson and this is that Mark Johnson. I'm going to direct all customers to use this system moving forward, but for now we can move the current ones that are on email over to here. We can create tickets for them, or we can finish those off through email and then just do the rest moving forward through here. Please let me know what you'd like to do, and I will gladly create tickets for all of those existing ones, which I think is probably a good idea to do so. But yeah, let me know. And also let me know if there's any other fields that you would want me to add here. And I'm also going to try to get rid of some of these as well. Some of them I can't remove due to the system just making me have them there, but some of them I can at least change the names and we can use them in a different way. The other thing is these tags. Would like to start tagging them, so we could tag it with the brand name or the product that they are doing an install for, and that would probably be a good way to organize them. So I just deleted the one, but say we were going into this one and we wanted to respond to this one, which you will do a response to this one because I just assigned it to you. You could respond, and then you could change the status to scheduled or whatever it is. Once again, let me know what you'd like there, and that's going to stay the same, but we could tag it with an attic lift or aux lift, the brand name or the product name. Let me know what you'd like to do for those as well. We'll try to get a set amount of tags that we use so that they're all the same. If we were to do one that's aux lift, aux space lift, that would be a different tag than doing aux lift with no space, or if you did aux dash lift. So we should have kind of a little master list of all the tags we're using so that we continue to use the exact same ones so they can be organized right, rather than having that space and making it be a completely different tag. And then when we go to search the tags, we would have multiple just for the same thing, so that's not what we want. But so we'll come up with a list of tags that we're going to use, that we both are very aware of that list, and it should start to save them in there as well. Just let me know if there's any other things that you want me to add or remove or adjust in here. I'll do so. And also just remember, we always are going to respond by clicking the link. If you just respond to this, it's just going to send an email to yourself or to whoever's watching it, or it might send an email to this one, which doesn't do anything at all. So never respond to the actual email, just go into the actual ticket and respond there. So, alrighty, let me know if you have any other questions. I'm going to continue to send these your way, and hopefully it might take a little bit back and forth to get on the same page with it, but we will here eventually. So, thanks.